Ma'am, hindi raw po makakonect si Sir Leo dun sa laptop niya. Gagamit siya ng CP, nagpapahintay po, ma'am. Alright, magandang umaga po muli sa inyong lahat. So inihingi po natin ang paumanhin ang technical problem na atin po na-encounter. Hindi po natin maiiwasan yan, at hindi natin hawak ang internet connection. Ganun pa man. At nandito po muli kami, nagbabalik upang magbigay sa inyo ng karagdagang kaalaman at formal na ma-close natin ang ating activity. Alright? Okay, so nais ko po munang pasalamatan ang ating pong facilitator number 3 na nag-discuss ng ng different teaching strategies in science. Thank you so much, Ma'am Guson. Alright. At syempre, wala na po akong masabi talaga. Ang gagaling, mahuhusay ang mga science teachers ng Bataan. Okay, with that, I would like to congratulate all the facilitators and the program management team of Division Webinar Series on Science Content and Teaching Strategies in the context of the most essential learning competencies for grade 7 teachers. Of course, for a job well done. Marami pong salamat. At syempre, habang kami po ay abalang-abala sa pagja-jot down ng inyo pong mga queries, yung ating naman pong mga facilitators ay nakaantabay. So this is it. Pwede na po natin silang makapanayam, makasama sa araw na ito upang mabigyan ng kasagutan ng ilan nating mga klarifikasyon. Ano pa? Okay. So, syempre, kailangan muna natin silang i-recognize. Yan. So, let us recognize our first facilitator from Orani National High School, Parang-Parang. Okay, let us welcome Ma'am Rosalyn C. Flores. Good morning, Ma'am Rosalyn.
Good morning din po, Ma'am Delta.
All right. So our second facilitator is my former student, now an expert. Please welcome Ma'am Nina Rose C. Basco from Maribeles National High School, Alas-Asin. Okay,
hello
so
po, ma'am. Good morning po.
Mahina pa rin ang connection ni Ma'am Nina, no? Okay, so I hope na makasama natin siya, okay, in this session. Okay po? At syempre, sino ba ang makakalimot sa ating facilitator number 3? Yan, na nag-share sa atin ng different teaching strategies. Yun nga lang, hindi nakisama ang ating internet connection. Medyo nabitin tayo, Pero marami na tayong nag-gain na knowledge doon sa different teaching strategies na ibinigay niya sa atin. Ang alamin na lang natin kung yun ba ay magiging suited doon sa level of understanding ng mga bata. Okay po? Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our third facilitator, Ma'am Emelina A. Guson of Roosevelt National High School. Hello, Ma'am.
Hello po. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. So,
yan.
Pagamat po nagkaroon ng problema po yung aking presentation, willing po ako na i-share po sa inyo yung presentation ko. Pwede niyo po akong i-email or pwede niyo pong i-ano yung aking principal para po ma-share ko po yung mga strategies na naputol po dun sa discussion natin kanina. Thank you po ulit sa pakikinig at panonood. And magandang tanghali na po.
Yes, ayan. So, willing naman pala si Mama na mag-share nung kanyang presentations. Okay. So, ang ating pong magiging talakayan ay ganito po, ipaliwanag ko po. So, babasahin ko po yung ilan sa mga queries na aking pong nakita doon sa chat box. At sa ating mga facilitators, sa attention, sa ating mga FASI. Okay, kung kapag na-analyze po ninyo na yung question na aking babasahin ay related doon po sa topic na inyo pong diniscuss. Mangyari po lamang na kayo na po ang magbigay ng sapat na paliwanag. Ano pa? Okay. So pagka walang kumibo sa inyo, magtatawag ako. Alright. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating facilitators. Okay. So, first question po na nakita ko po sa chat box kanina. Okay, what is the best strategy that can be applied in the present condition of our educational system? Ulitin ko po. So, what is the best strategy that can be applied in the present condition of our educational system?
Ma'am, ako na po yung sasagot. Salamat po sa katanungan.
Okay po.
Okay po. Since we are under the pandemic condition and face-to-face was not allowed, utilization of technology is the best strategy to use for me in our classes. Through this strategy, we teachers can develop skills that are suited to the present era where integration of technology is mostly needed. And to be able to adapt to the new trends of teaching and learning process for the 21st century approach. And syempre, nothing is permanent in the world except change. Patuloy ang pagbabago ng sistema ng edukasyon. Kaya marapat lamang na tayo yung maging handa at bukas sa mga makabagong paraan ng pagtuturo upang umunlad o mapaunlad natin ang ating kakayahan bilang isang guro. Yun lang po ma'am. Salamat po ulit sa katanungan.
Very well said, Ma'am Guson. Ayan, bumawi si Ma'am Emmy. So kahit hindi natapos yung kanyang presentation, bawing-bawi tayo, ano? Okay po, maraming salamat, Ma'am Emmy. Okay, next question tayo. How can you teach animal and plant cells in the new normal way of teaching in distance learning modality? Yan. Ulitin po natin. How can you teach animal and plant cells in the new normal way of teaching in distance learning modality?
Okay, Ma'am Delpa, ako na po isasagot. Good morning po once again. Due to the restriction given by the pandemic, our Department of Education is still continuing their mission in upskilling and equipping our teachers to give their best to educate our learners. So in my opinion, the possible strategies that we can use are on the discussion of animal and plant cells, even without face-to-face or video tutorials, the PowerPoint presentation, simulation, science lab online, the graphic organizer, cell diagram, and more other strategies that has been discussed a while ago, which entails deeper understanding to the said topic while considering the needs of our learners, since there is no one-size-fits-all strategies that can best address the needs of diverse clientele. Yun lamang po.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Rosalyn, for that comprehensive answer. Naku, buti na lang hindi natin na-miss nung bahagi na to. Okay, may isa pa tayong question dito. Okay, is there some case that a sexually producing animal can reproduce asexually? Again, ito po yung question. Is there some case that a sexually producing animal can reproduce asexually? Alright, so kapag in-assess ko tong question, parang ito ay related dun sa topic ni Ma'am Ninya. Okay, nakapasok na ba si Ma'am Ninya?
Hello po, ma'am. Yes po.
Ayan. Hello, Ma'am
Hello, ma'am.
Ninya.
Hello po, ma'am. Good morning po.
Hello po. Address na po namin sa yung question related po sa topic mo yun, ma'am.
Opo, yes po, ma'am. So, it is possible because there are some animals like
Okay, so may problema tayo sa signal. Nawawala, no? Okay, so nawawala yung signal. Humihina ang signal ni Ma'am Ninya. Okay, so pwede ba sa ating mga facilitators, no, sa dalawa nating FASI? Okay, so who would like to volunteer na pwedeng sagutin, i-address yung query mula sa ating attendees?
Hello po, Ma'am Delpha. Nawala po
Hello.
yung connection ko.
Okay, back to you, Ma'am Ninya.
Okay, hello po. It is possible po because there are some animals like female reptiles can produce both sexually and asexually. For example, a Komodo dragon, their eggs can develop into an embryo without being fertilized by the sperm, and we call it as parthenogenesis. It is also one type of asexual reproduction. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am Ninya.
Ulit, ma'am.
Maraming salamat sa ating facilitators na tumugon doon sa mga queries ng ating participants. Okay? So before we formally close this webinar, we would like to give thanks to the program management team. Okay, for online platform, we have Ma'am Ayla Dana B. De Guzman and Robilyn A. Medina. Thank you, Ma'am. At syempre, sa ating Google Forms, we have Ma'am Anita De La Cruz and Aren Joy O. Lisanin. Okay, para naman po sa program design. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo, Ma'am. Rovinia Rosuelo and Ma'am Catherine A. Dinglasan. And of course, to the chairman of this program, Ma'am Maria Linda V. Manzano and Ma'am Diana M. Marantal as co-chairperson. Again, thank you for everything. Sir Leo, you're back. Yan, may connection na si Sir Leo.
Hindi ako pinapansin.
Sorry partner, sorry.
Muli po, ang aming pasasalamat sa ating mga participants and attendees, to our overall team leader, Ma'am Linda B. Manzano, all other members of the program management team. Thank you po. And to you, my partner, hopefully, susunod, magka-partner po ulit tayo at maging
I'm hoping for that, sir. At ikaw ay masayang kasama. Marami akong natutunan sa iyo, sir.
Sa inyo din po, ma'am. Maraming po salamat.
Yes po. Okay, so moving on, partner. So meron pa tayong closing remarks. All right. So now let us hear a closing remarks to be given by Ma'am Maria Linda V. Manzano, Principal 1 of Benaritan Elementary School and the overall chairperson of this webinar.
Hi everyone, hope you learned a lot from the presentations. Through these science video lessons, our learners could have an easier and clearer grasp of the content for the second quarter skills. I would like to thank everyone for giving time and exerted much effort for this webinar series. Much thanks to the program management team. For online platform, we have Ma'am Ayla Dana B. Guzman and Ma'am Robilyn A. Medina. For Google Forms, we have Ma'am Anita De La Cruz and Ma'am Erin Joy O. Lisanin. For program design, we have Ma'am Rovinia Resuelo and Ma'am Catherine Dinglasan. Our moderators for this series na napakatagal po, Ma'am Delma T. Dabu and Sir Leonardo Berem
Thank you
Pares.
so much,
Thanks so much, Ma'am Rosalie C. Flores, Ma'am Nina Rose Basco, and Ma'am Emelina Guzon for very comprehensive presentations. My co-chair, Ma'am Diana Marantal. Thank you po, Sir Edwin, Ma'am Mila, and Sir Ali for the opportunity and for leading us to love science even more.
Magamit
Happy
lahat ng mga
listening po
learnings
sa
na
lahat.
ibinigay sa atin
Mabuhay
ng
po
magagaling
tayo.
na facilitators. Ano pa? So once again, I'm Del Patidabus. Thank you so much.
And this is Sir Leo Pales of EC Bernabe National High School saying thank you, congratulations, good luck, and mabuhay po tayong lahat.
All right, to God be the glory.